Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, meron na naman tayong ire-rec at aalamin ngayong video na araw na to. Ano daw? Meron na naman tayong video na aalamin at ire-react sa araw na ito. Yun! Nagduduloy-duloy na naman tayo. Ito'y galing kay Ngoy Giaima? Hirap banggitin. Pangalan kasi. Di ko, parang ngayon ko lang i-react tong video na to sa channel na to. Pati yung video niya ngayon ko lang i-react kaya hindi ko po mabanggit kung ano. Kung nakikita niyo po dyan sa aking video, kayo na po mismo magbasa. Medyo pasensya na po at hindi ko mabasa ng maayos. Diba? Pero ang sabi niya dito sa kanyang video, Philippine C-130 fleet versus regional competitors, upgrades, challenges, and future potentials. So, sabi nga dito, haba ng description niya. So, sabi niya dito, explore the current state of the Philippine Air Force C-130 fleet and how it compares to regional competitors like Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Australia. Discover how these versatile aircraft play a crucial role to disaster response, troop transfer, and logistical support across the archipelago. So, with ongoing modernization efforts, including the acquisition of the advanced C-130J 30 units, the Philippine Air Force is set to boost its airlift capabilities, learn about the challenges of maintaining an aging fleet. So, the latest upgrades and what lies ahead for the Philippine Air transport strategy. Diba? Pero meron na tayong in-order na tatlo na C-130 Hercules, if I'm not mistaken, mga idolo. Diba? So, hindi naman natin masasabi na luma pa yung meron tayong C-130. Pero yun nga, meron tayong bagong in-order tatlong in-order na C-130. Hindi ko lang alam kung na-deliver na ba o hindi. Comment down below guys kung meron. So, hindi ko pa na-discuss din yun sa aking channel. O, hindi ko pa napapanood sa video regarding dun sa, sa ating mga C-130 Hercules na pinili sa US, mga idolo. So, ito, panoorin na natin tong video ni, hindi ko na mahirap banggitin. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung channel name yan. Mahirap talaga banggitin, mga idolo. So, panoorin na lang natin ito, mga idolo.
The Philippine Air Force operates the fleet of Lockheed C-130 Hercules transport aircraft, a cornerstone of the country's military airlift capabilities. These aircraft are used for a wide range of missions, including disaster response, troop transport, and logistical support, reflecting their versatility and importance. As of 2024, the Philippine Air Force's active C-130 fleet includes a mix of legacy and newly acquired aircraft. The current inventory comprises C-130H and C-130T. The C-130H Hercules. The Philippine Air Force operates two C-130H units which form the backbone of its heavy lift capability. These aircraft have been instrumental in various humanitarian and disaster.
Parang hirap intindihin din ang sinasabi din niya, mga idolo. Nahihirapan tayo dito, mga idolo. Diba? So, sana masundan nyo rin ang video. At di ako makapag-react ng masyado dahil nahihirapan ako din kung maintindihan din. So, pinapakinggan ko ng maayos kanyang video, mga idolo.
Relief missions, both domestically and internationally. In February 2024, the Philippine Air Force received a refurbished C-130H with tail number 5157 from the United States through the Access Defense Articles Program.
refurbish.
3 additional C-130H aircraft are planned to be transferred to the Philippine Air Force, further enhancing its airlift capabilities. Under the Additional Air Transport Capability project, the Philippine Air Force has ordered 3 units of the extended variant C-130J-30, valued at approximately
So J pa lang in order natin, hindi yung Hercules, no? Tama. Basta meron tayong in order na tatlong C-130. It's either Hercules or J. I don't know. Pero parang J ata. So correct me. Kino-correct ko lang din yung sarili ko kanina na Hercules din ang in order natin. So alam ko parang J din ata, di ba? O tama, parang J. As far as I remember mga idol. So comment down below lang guys kung may idea rin kayo kung ano yung or Hercules ba o J. Pero pili ko ata J. Di ba? So yun.
22.2 billion pesos. These aircraft represent a leap forward in technology, offering advanced avionics, increased payload capacity, and greater operational efficiency. Delivery of these units is anticipated in the near future. Renowned for its versatility and durability, the Lockheed C-130 Hercules is a reliable workhorse in military aviation. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 155,000 pounds and can carry payloads of up to 24,000 pounds, depending on the variant. With a range of approximately 2,360 nautical miles at fully payload and a maximum cruising speed of 320 knots, the aircraft is capable of long-distance missions. The standard crew consists of 5 personnel: a pilot, co-pilot, navigator, flight engineer, and loadmaster. The cargo hold, measuring 41 feet in length, 10 feet in width, and 9 feet in height, accommodates a variety of cargo, including vehicles and troops. Its ability to operate from short and unpaved airstrips makes it particularly suited for missions in remote or underdeveloped regions, such as the many islands of the Philippines. Maintaining the C-130 fleet has been a challenge for the Philippine Air Force due to resource constraints.
Air Fox. Talaga pag hindi pa natin napapalat na so surprise talaga tayo sa mga video nating gustong i-react eh. So nangangalati na tayo. So ano nga ba yung regional competitors regarding sa ating Philippine C-130? So wala pa tayo naririnig mga idolo.
And the aging nature of some aircraft. The fleet has undergone periodic upgrades and maintenance to ensure airworthiness and operational readiness. The acquisition of newer models, such as the C-130J-30, is expected to reduce the maintenance burden and improve mission reliability. The C-130 fleet of the Philippines, while vital to its airlift capabilities, is modest in comparison to regional peers. The Indonesian Air Force operates over a dozen C-130 variants,
Indonesia.
including the advanced C-130J.
And daw? 12? 1,000?
Is modest in comparison to regional peers. The Indonesian Air Force operates over a dozen C-130 variants, including the advanced C-130J. Indonesia's luxury fleet reflects its broader geographical challenges and greater defense budget.
Okay.
Malaysia's Royal Air Force maintains a fleet of about 8 C-130H aircraft.
8.
These are similarly employed for transport and disaster relief, with upgrades underway to extend their operational lifespan.
H.
The Royal Thai Air Force operates around
Thailand.
12 C-130 aircraft,
12.
including older models and upgraded variants. Thailand's fleet benefits from regular modernization efforts and strong logistical support. The Royal Australian Air Force's fleet includes 12 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft. Australia's investment in the latest models ensure high operational efficiency and strategic airlift capabilities across the Pacific region. While the Philippine fleet is smaller, the ongoing modernization efforts, including the acquisition of C-130J-30 units, will bring its capabilities closer to regional standards. The C-130 fleet plays a critical role in the Philippines' defense and disaster response strategies. These aircraft are often deployed to
Isa yun sa mga sa tingin ko kailangan din nating bansa, yung C-130, madagdagan pa yung mga utility aircraft natin. Kasi kailangan talaga yan sa ating tawag dito. Sa disaster, yan. Kailangan na talaga natin yan. Di ba? Kasi maraming mga pwedeng ilagay dyan. At transfer din ng mga troops. Di ba? So, maraming possible na paggamitan nitong C-130. Di ba? Ano lang yan? Sa disaster. Kasi talagang every sabi natin every province sabi natin malaki yung pinsala ng bagyo kailangan mapadalahan ng relief goods o tulong ang mga nasalanta sa iba't ibang probinsya sa bagyo, di ba? Kaya hindi mo naman pwedeng lubos-lubosin yung paggamit ng iilan lang para mapunan lahat ng mga o mapuntahan lahat ng mga kinakailangan puntahan na kapag may disaster, di ba? So kailangan madagdagan din talaga yung mga airlift natin, mga ganyang helicopter, mga ganyang airplane natin, di ba? Para sa ating Philippine Air Force, di ba?
Transport relief suppliers and personnel to remote areas affected by natural disasters such as typhoons and earthquakes. Additionally, they are vital for military operations, enabling rapid troop deployment and logistical support across the archipelago.
Okay.
In conclusion, the Philippine Air Force's ongoing modernization of its C-130 fleet underscores its commitment to enhancing national security and disaster resilience. With additional units on the way and newer models like the C-130J-30 poised to join the fleet, the Philippine Air Force is well positioned to meet future challenges and maintain its critical airlift capabilities.
So usually parang sinabi din niya dito yung mga ilang country sa Asia, including Australia, parang nasa Asia na rin ang Australia. So including Australia, yung mga ano ba yung mga sinabi niya? Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand. Sabi ba niya yung Singapore? Yun naman. So yun yung mga gumagamit ng C-130. So ang pinakamababa is yung Philippines sa paggamit ng C-130. So konti pa lang ang C-130 natin. So sana in the future din isa yun sa mga natin i-procure din pa, dagdagan yung na order na natin. So kung meron ibibigay din ng US sa atin, why not, diba? Kasi yung mga lumang C-130 natin parang donated lang din yan ng US hindi natin binili. So ang mga binili lang natin yung tatlong bago na C-130J, if I'm not mistaken, mga idolo. So tatlo yan ang alam ko. So hindi ko lang alam kung dumating na yung tatlong yon o meron na meron ng isa na o-operate na natin. So comment down below guys kung meron kayong idea. So hindi ko pa kasi hindi ko pa gagawa ng video regarding sa ating C-130. So wala pa kasi ako nakikitang video. Ito pa lang nakita kong video regarding sa C-130 kaya gusto kong react. Kaso nga lang, ba't ganito pa? Ang hirap natin intindihan. Pero yun nga, at least kahit pa paano, nalaman din natin. Yun nga. Siyempre, ang C-130, hindi lang naman din sa atin yan. Di ba? So, may mga ibang bansa rin na gumagamit talaga ng C-130. Dahil malaking tulong talaga itong C-130 na yun sa mga cargo and troop personnel, yung mga carry personnel natin. Marami pwedeng sumakay dyan. Then, malaking tulong din talaga sa ating, lalo na kapag may mga disasters, di ba? O typhoon, earthquake, anything na pwedeng tumulong ating C-130. Di ba? So, sana madagdagan nga. O isa sa mga possible procure ng ating military in the future, yung C-130. Mga idolo. So, yun. So, maraming salamat sa video niya. Hindi ko ulit mabanggit yung ng channel niya. Hindi ko mabanggit na pupulupot yung dila ko. So, lalagay ko na lang po sa description down below full video na to, pati po kanyang YouTube channel, mga idolo. So, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe po sa kanya. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan mag-subscribe din po sa aking channel. Hit niyo po yung notification bell at yung like button. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan na i-follow din po ako sa aking Facebook page na Alam Nyo Ba. And soon po, magkakaroon na po tayo ng TikTok, mga idolo. I-follow niyo rin po ako doon. So, maraming salamat po. So, dito na po tayo tatapos mga idolo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayo lagi and God bless us all. Bye-bye.